So I want to look at Peloton stock. This is a stock that I've been hearing about for a long time. I'm hearing a lot of news surrounding it. And I've been hearing a lot about their stock decrease they have been experiencing. But I never have looked at the stock to see if it was a stock that I wanted to invest in. So today, I'm going to be doing just that. The first thing I noticed when looking at this stock is that it has lost 71.55% of its value this year. Obviously, the market's been in a downturn, and when you look at a stock like this, it's obviously going to be hit harder. But 71% is absolutely a tough decrease. They have a $3.46 billion valuation, which I have not looked at their revenue and their financials yet to see if this valuation actually makes sense or not. But I will say this actually surprised me that it's valued that high. If someone had asked me to guess the valuation of Peloton, I probably would have said closer to $1 billion. So it does surprise me to see them valued at $3.46 billion. So Peloton is not a profitable company. So to value the company, we obviously can't look at earnings. So I'll try to look at revenue and see what I think the company should be valued at. Last year, 2021, they brought in slightly over $4 billion in revenue, and obviously did not make a profit off of that. They didn't lose that much money though, they only lost $189 million, but this year things look a little bit different. They actually decreased in revenue this year, as they have brought in $3.58 billion, but what's really surprising is their earnings. They have lost $2.83 billion this year, which is just absolutely crazy seeing how much more they are losing. Revenue for their actual equipment has fallen an insane ton, although it looks like subscription revenue is increasing for them, so more and more people are paying their subscription services, but they're just not buying the actual bikes anymore. So looking at that, and then going back to their valuation of $3.46 billion, I don't have a problem buying companies that are not yet profitable, and I also don't mind buying companies that are, trading at multiple times their revenue for the most part. But when I do buy those companies, it's because they're growing so quickly. In the long term, I don't really think it matters. I'm buying it at such a premium. But with Peloton, considering the fact that they're not growing, and I'm not sure if I see that really changing, it's hard to do that. Especially when I see them losing so much money. So this is not a stock that I personally would want to invest in. Thank you for listening. Also, download the investing app SoFi through our link and get $25 for free when you invest $10. Download SoFi right now through the link in our description or the link in our bio, depending on what platform you're listening on. Thank you.